class. Today I will talk about how can you select import order on your money manager app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go down, click here on more down here. When you just click here on more, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on configuration here. Then you come to next step. Then all you have to do now, so you just go down, you keep going down here. Then all you have to do now, you just come here to import order. Just click on it here, and here you select your import order if you want to add from account amount here or from account. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.